Hello everyone, how to solve for x in this exponential equation. We have 1 over 2 all to the power x plus 1 over 4 all to the power x is equal to 1 over 8, where x is a real number. So let's get started. We have 1 over 2 all to the power x plus, I'll write 1 over 4 as 1 over 2 all to the power 2, then all to the power x. And this is equal to 1 over 8. Now let's use the power rule, which says that a to the power m or to the power n is equal to a to the power n or to the power m. So this becomes 1 over 2 or to the power x plus 1 over 2 or to the power x or to the power 2 is equal to 1 over 8. Then we will let 1 over 2 all to the power x equal to m. So the equation now becomes m plus m squared is equal to 1 over 8. We will do two things here. We will multiply through by 8 and then equate everything to 0. So we will have 8m squared plus 8m minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a very nice quadratic equation. So let's go ahead and then use the quadratic formula to solve. But remember, the quadratic formula is given by, because the equation is in m, we have m is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, or divided by 2a. We have a to be 8, b to be 8 as well, and then c is -1. So let's go ahead and then plug these values into the quadratic formula. So we have m is equal to -8 plus or minus square root of 8 squared minus 4 times 8 times -1, or divided by 2 times 8. Now m is equal to -8 plus or minus square root of 64. Then we have -4 times 8, that is -32 times -1 to be +32, or divided by 16. So m is equal to -8 plus or minus square root of 64 plus 32, we have 96, or divided by 16. And so m is equal to -8 plus or minus. Note that square root of 96 is the same as square root of 16 times square root of 6. So we have 4 root 6. So in place of 96, we will put 4 root 6. Therefore, 4 root 6 here, or divided by 16. And you can see we can factor 4 out. So we will have m is equal to 4 times 2 plus or minus -2 plus or minus square root of 6, or divided by 16. 4 goes into itself 1 and then goes into 16 4. So we have m is equal to -2 plus or minus square root of 6, or divided by 4. So let me bring it here. It is either m is equal to -2 plus square root of 6 divided by 4, or m is equal to -2 minus square root of 6 divided by 4. But remember, we let m equal to 1/2 all to the power x. Therefore, we will have 1/2 all to the power x, which is the same as 2 to the power minus x, is equal to this one. we have minus 2 minus square root of 6 all divided by 4. Now note that this whole thing gives us negative, right? This is negative. Then 2 to the power minus x is always positive, right? If you try to manipulate the value of x, you will never get negative. So this equation will not be considered. Since we are limited in the question, x is a real number. If you solve this, you get a complex solution of which we are not interested per the question. So let's pay attention to the value of m over here, this one. So we have 2 to the power minus x is equal to minus 2 plus square root of 6 divided by 4. Because we have 2 here, we can introduce log in base 2 on both sides, because if you do that, we will get something like log in base a of a, which is equal to 1, right? So let's introduce log in base 2 on each side of the equation. 2 to the power minus x is equal to log in base 2 of minus 2 plus square root of 6 all divided by 4. Now from logarithm, the power now becomes the leading number. So you're going to have negative x. Then everything here is equal to 1 from this equation, right? So this is equal to log in base 2 of negative 2 plus square root of 6 all divided by 4. We want x and not negative x. We will divide each side of the equation by negative 1 so that we have x is equal to minus log in base 2 of negative 2 plus square root of 6 all divided by 4. If you use calculator for this, you will get x approximately equal to 3.15364. If you plug this value of x into the equation, you will get 1 over 8. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Like, comment, and share. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you again on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.